Hey, what's up, everybody? This is John Face Moto. I just wanted to showcase a little pocket knife I've been carrying for the last, probably about the last year and a half. This is my EDC. This is the Dark Side Blades Punisher Black Tactical Spring Assisted pocket knife. This is I carry this around every day. I actually use this knife. It's 440 stainless steel. It actually holds an edge fairly well. And I use this knife. I don't just doesn't sit in my pocket. I'm a contractor. I actually use this on a daily. As you can see, it's got a few battle scars on it. It's got a nice bell clip. It's functional. Nice lock, easy, one-handed action. It's a good little knife. It's actually still in good shape. Could probably be tightened up a little bit, but for what it gets, I actually use it, so it's held up very well for what I do with it. Normal person probably wouldn't use it as hard as I do, but yeah. So it's 8 inches overall length with the handle and the actual blade itself. The blade alone is 3 inches long, and again, it's a one-handed action, spring assist, pocket knife. Tactical black Punisher. Highly recommended. If you want, hit the link below. Take you right to Amazon. It's my affiliate link, and check it out. It's a good deal. It's only $25 on Amazon right now. So hit that link below and check it out. All right, take it easy. John Face Moto out.